Alright, this is your next set of steps for how to build the floor plan. Now first I'm going to go to the standard view top because I find that top is a nice easy way to look at it. Now you can see that we have a lot of space, so we're going to build some rather larger rooms as well. So I'm going to take a measure. I'm going to put maybe a large living room over here. And I think that living room should probably be about 30 feet. So I'm going to measure that as 30 feet there. Don't forget that we want a 1 foot offset for the wall. Now perhaps this is like a washroom off of there, we could say. So I'm now going to draw in those walls. There we go. Now this is usually where someone might test it out and try pulling up the walls, and they'll notice something wrong. It's not pulling up at the rest. So you may notice that I forgot to heal my lines over here. So I'm going to heal those lines with the eraser. Get rid of that one. Okay, I totally messed up there, but we'll fix it.
Are we supposed to put one more foot?
And then I'll heal this line right here. Now I'll see that it works. So that's going to become my living room. Now we need to start labeling and showing what the sizes are. Because what we're doing here is we're basically making a floor plan that someone could follow. So if you watch this next step, you'll see how I can do some quick measurements. I'm going to go here and find dimensions. Is it tools? Tools, dimensions. Right here. Please look at the screen so you can see this. Tools, dimensions. Now I'm going to grab this wall and pull. You'll notice that it clearly marks how long that wall is. I can also measure this one. So if I'm following these blueprints and building a home, I can easily see that it's 10 foot by 10 feet. I don't need to bother with this one though, do I? Because it's just a repeat. So I want to make sure that each wall shows its measurement so that the builders, when they build this house, will know exactly what dimensions it should be. Now I also want to label them so they know what these rooms are. If I go to this tool here, I can start labeling text. So I might put this as the washroom. I'll call this the living room. So now I have 2 rooms, I've given dimensions, and we'll go to doors for the next level.